Joe, here's your little 347 small block Ford. Just got to run it. Everything went great. Description is combination. Got the Edelbrock air gap. Got a quick fuel SS 650 MSD Pro Billet. Got the Mark Serpentine belt set up. Make sure the alternator outputs for you. Moroso front sumps. Got one of our custom grind hydraulic holders. Custom pistons. Take you in there and show you how to ram. Alrighty, down at 3,500, it's 400 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 423. Peaks horsepower 482. Rated 500. Front engine is about 20, so everything's good. Get her off there in the crate. Come your way. Have a great day.